Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Yay, one of the most popular AUR helpers, on Arch Linux. If you want an easy way to install AUR packages like Google Chrome, Visual Studio Code Bin, or Spotify, this is the tool you need. Alright, let's jump right in. Before we install it, a quick explanation. Yay stands for yet another yaourt. It's a fast and lightweight AUR helper built in Go. Yay lets you install AUR packages, update AUR plus official repo packages together, search for packages easily, build package builds automatically. So basically, it saves you a lot of time. Yay isn't available in the official repositories, so we need git and base devil to build it from source. Run this command, sudo pacman s, needed git base devil. Now we'll download Yay from the AUR. Once that's done, go inside the folder. To install Yay, run this command. This will build the package, ask for confirmation, and install it. Now that Yay is installed, let me show you a few basic commands. With this command you can search for packages. Install a package. Update everything, including AUR packages. Pretty simple, right? And that's it. You've successfully installed Yay on Arch Linux. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more Arch Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.